Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. So to do this, you have just to go to your Telegram, to the app, choose your country. For example, I will put Tunisia. Type your phone number and after that click on after, and here as you can see, if the code is not going to arrive for me by SMS, they will give me the option to type my email and to receive the code via the email. So I type my email and I wait just for few seconds to receive the code, the verification code, and I already receive it now. So this is my verification code, and of course after that it tells me also that I will receive like another code via SMS, and I received the SMS code, and it can give you access to enter without the SMS code, and after that it will ask about your first name and last name. I will put them, and now I'm available on Telegram. If this didn't work for you, you have just to go to the link of Telegram support, telegram.org/support, telegram.org/support, and you should write an email for them here describing the problem and tell them, hello, I didn't receive the confirmation code via SMS. Can you please send it to me? And here put your name, put after that your email and your phone number, and click on submit to send them this email. And after that, maybe after 1 or 2 days, they will answer you back with a code or with a solution from them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.